Ever since it was founded in 1959, Vega Grieshaber KG has been a family enterprise. Today it is an internationally leading supplier of level, point level and pressure instrumentation. Today the Vega Group employs over 1,100 people worldwide, serving customers around the globe with measurement technology from the Black Forest.
Und das ist ja das Tolle an der Vega auch, dass ich da jeden Tag sehe, wie sich die moderne Technik, also die moderne Messtechnik, mit der Tradition, wie wir sie jetzt da gerade haben, verbindet.
To have the Black Forest as our technological base was also very important to our founder Bruno Grieshaber. All those active around the world need strong roots at home.
Das Unternehmen interessiert sich wie ich für Menschen. Schön, dass wir bei Vega auch eine Familie sind.
Our staff has a family at home as well as a family at Vega. Just like in a real family, trust and respect ensure the right climate at Vega. These are the core values we share within our company, with our partners and clients. Vega instruments securely measure levels, detect point levels, and monitor pressures. They find safe solutions to highly sophisticated tasks in chemical parks, pharmaceutical facilities, the food industry, for the drinking water supply, in sewage plants, the mining sector, energy production, on offshore platforms and onboard ships. Our guiding principle is security leads to freedom, freedom leads to creativity.
Bei Vega hat jeder seinen Freiraum, sich persönlich weiterzuentwickeln.
For being creative together means we are able to try new things. Not only is it fun, but it leads to success. Electronics are at the heart of all our sensors. Our company produces around 400,000 finished sensors a year.
Unsere Entwicklungen müssen sicher und präzise sein, wie beim Fallschirmspringen. Für mich hat Sicherheit viel mit Vertrauen zu tun und natürlich auch mit Kontrolle.
Not all Vega experts are skydivers, but all have a special knack for responsibility. And that's a good thing, as the pressure transmitters used on the hydraulic locks on the water roller coaster in Europa Park Rust guarantee the safety of thousands of visitors. So it goes without saying that our measuring cells are produced with the greatest possible care.
Eine gute Prüfung bringt einfach eine bessere Qualität.
Ja, und Qualität ist das A und O für mich. Und dazu zählt auch ein vernünftiger Umgang mit der Natur.
Our devices are designed for all types of extreme conditions. In environmental testing, they are exposed to blazing heat, freezing cold, and extreme pressure. They are checked for leaks and exposed to electromagnetic fields. Every Vega device must be perfect for its future application. Vega helps to ensure that our environment is a place that people like to live and work in. Those who think in terms of generations know that today's children are the highly qualified specialists of tomorrow.
Vertrauen ist die Basis für jede gute Partnerschaft. Wer auf Menschen vertraut, bekommt vieles zurück.
We think about the long term. We build loyal relationships with our employees and customers. Vega, looking forward.